Already started roaring? Well, yes. Your team looks on a better side right now. And looking at the match situation, tell us about the strategy, looking forward in the game.
Okay, to be very honest, I'm not the right person to talk about
Mm-hmm.
because I've not been to even one single practice session.
All
I'm coming
right.
straight from my shoot and I'm playing for after nearly 5 months.
Yeah.
So, but the entire boys have been practicing for about 3 to 4 weeks, and we have a new coach, a new mentor on board, KB Arun Karthik. So he's got a lot of new plans on board for Chennai, and these plans are, I would believe, from what I've seen, they're nothing like what we've ever tried before. And I think that's what really worked in the first innings. for us.
Really? I think that would be very, very exciting. And there's a lot of action going on there on the field. We'll go back to the comms.
थैंक यू शेफाली और शेफाली लेकर आते हुए विकेट यहां बंगाल टाइगर्स के लिए और बड़ा विकेट रमना का विकेट जिन्होंने शुरुआत अच्छी की थी और जैसे कहा जाता है क्रिकेट में 1 brings 2 50 पर 1 और 50 पर 2 सौरभ की ओर से बहुत ही अच्छा कलेक्शन और इसी के साथ अब दोनों ही ओपनर्स को जाना होगा बेहतरीन वापसी बंगाल टाइगर्स की ओर से रमना 28 रन बनाकर आउट चेन्नई 50 पर 2
The tormentor. A typical cricketer run-up he has, and that's the reason why he picked up this wicket. Looking for the second run. And you said Captain Vikrant, maybe a title for the next Tamil movie?
Absolutely, why not? Vikrant at the start mentioned that this year the excitement is twofold for the team. Last year we saw Captain Arya. He's there in the squad. We hope to see him in the playing 11 very soon. However, Vikrant, one of the leading run scorers of CCL history, also has 100 to his name.
Taking the aerial route and rewarded handsomely there. A biggie, a sixer. And that's what Chennai is all about. Even if you lose 2 wickets, they don't want to lose the momentum. And that's what precisely you can see. That was the third six.
और पृथ्वी इन्होंने ये काम किया इस मौके पर आपको बता दें पृथ्वीराजन एक बहुत ही कुशल एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल तमिल एक्टर जो कि बेटे हैं वेटरन एक्टर आर पंड्या राजन के और इनके नाम है काइवंता कलाई और डीएसपी ब्लू स्टार जैसी मूवीज डेब्यू किया था इन्होंने काइवंता कलाई नामक इस मूवी में जहां पर इनके पिता ने डायरेक्ट किया था उस मूवी को तो वो विरासत अपने साथ लेकर आते हुए पृथ्वी
Pandirajan, one of the most respected actors of Tamil. But today, things have changed. We see pan-Indian stars, and thanks to OTT, wherein even if you act in a Tamil movie or a Kannada movie, you will be known nationally because it will be dubbed into different languages. Converting that full toss. Looking for the second run, a quick run taken there, and good running within the wickets. Chennai 60 for 2 after 6.
It depends on how you take it.
Okay, so you've been there on the field. Like, if I ask that, you've been using your dimag out there. And this is the game of cricket is all about strategy and the dimag that you use. Please tell us that how will you go forward with the game now?
Well, right now we're looking at taking a good, substantial lead. So obviously, if we give a substantial lead, the Bengal Tigers is going to be under pressure because they've obviously got to score those runs first, and then whatever they score is going to be our target. So right now, the plan is to get a good, substantial lead.
All
And
right, so
that's how
you've
you use your
calculated
demand,
it properly. You've seen, you've done your homework as
Yeah.
well. All right, I wish you all the very best. And
Thank
here, Dimag always win, just like on 8-3 Rummy.
Yes.
And we're all here to outsmart to win, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much for talking to us. And you can go
Thank
back
you.
to the boys, to the dugout.
Thank you, thank you. Hope you
And
guys have
I'll
fun.
see you super
Cheers.
soon. All the very best for the
Thank you.
next innings. We'll go back to the comms now.
थैंक यू शेफाली शेफाली बात कर रही थी शांतनु भाग्यराज से एक बहुत ही जबरदस्त तमिल एक्टर एक चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट की तरह इन्होंने डेब्यू किया था लेकिन उसके बाद जब सकरकट्टी मूवी में इन्होंने डेब्यू किया तो इन्हें फिल्म फेयर बेस्ट साउथ मेल डेब्यू और विजय अवार्ड बेस्ट डेब्यू एक्टर से नवाजा गया था लेकिन यहाँ क्रिकेट के फील्ड पर क्या स्ट्रैटेजी है ये नहीं बताया शांतनु ने.
If he tells, then it would be a script for another pot boiler. Because the thought process of a cricketer and a film star turned cricketer will be totally different. Another wicket. That's what Bengal Tigers, the Tiger was wounded and they've come back with 3 quick wickets.
50 रन की ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप और उसके बाद जो घात लगाए हैं यहाँ बंगाल टाइगर्स ने, शिकार लगातार करते जा रहे, आगे बढ़कर खेलना चाह रहे थे इस मौके पर विक्रांत, लेकिन क्लीन किया उन्हें रत्नदीप ने और बताया कि पवेलियन उस ओर है. बंगाल टाइगर्स की वापसी, कैप्टन विक्रांत को वापस भेजा, विक्रांत ने बनाए 4 रन, चेन्नई 63 पर 3.
Take another wicket.
और यहाँ पर नर्वसली इसे खेलना चाह रहे थे, बाहरी किनारा लग चुका है और अजय का खाता खुलेगा बाउंड्री के साथ. 7 ओवर के बाद 67 for 3 चेन्नई. जरूरी राहुल कैसा ओवर लेकर आ सकते हैं देखना होगा, दिलचस्प. पृथ्वी की ओर से एक सिक्सर हमने आते हुए देखा है. राहुल टू पृथ्वी नाउ.
If they can restrict the score to just about 8 runs per over, they would probably take a lead of around 15 to 20. A lead of 15 to 20 may not be a much big lead for it to be surpassed and take a healthy lead in the second innings. But on the contrary, if they start scoring at around 13 runs per over or 15 per over, it will be a big task for the Tigers in the second innings. Interesting situation for both the teams. Chennai Rhinos trail by 11 runs.
बेहतरीन लेंथ, ये है लेंथ, गुड लेंथ पर अगर आप लगातार बॉल करते जाएं तो बैट्समैन को ये परेशानी होगी क्योंकि स्विंग मूवमेंट दिखता हुआ. और सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ अगर एक सेल्फी मिल जाए तो इससे बेहतर एक्सपीरियंस तो कुछ और हो ही नहीं सकता. आई एम जस्ट इमेजिनिंग व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स कम टू चिन्नास्वामी स्टेडियम.
There will be a roar of approval for the Karnataka Stars. But then, you remember, Chinnaswamy is known for the rivalry between Chennai Super Kings and Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And that's why we saw a lot of people coming in for the Chennai Heroes, Chennai Rhinos also. So all in all, Bengaluru is the true cosmopolitan city, loving good cricket. And that's why transforming itself into the sporting capital of the country.
I will never forget to mention some amazing Bene dosa and filter coffee. The smell of filter coffee is what Bengaluru is.
Spectators have come here in large numbers. Chikamagaluru, as our producer, director Sunny is prompting us, saying that it is Chikamagaluru, the land of Malnad, where coffee is grown. But more importantly, we'll come to that later. After this ball, yes, Vidyarthi Bhavan for dosa. And you mentioned Bende dosa, that's famous in Davangere. But you can try CTR in Malleshwaram for some good dosa. You have come all the way, originally from Bhilai. You won't get this in Chhattisgarh.
Never. And every chance I get to come to Bengaluru, I come with an appetite. But at Celebrity Cricket League, you will get some mentions of some great eating spots in Bengaluru. And Bapada will definitely go have a Bene dosa if Bengal Tigers win this. Last ball of Rahul's over. Played back safely by Prithvi. Chennai Rhinos का स्कोर इसी के साथ पहुंच जाएगा 70 पर और 8 ओवर हो चुके हैं समाप्त. 2 ओवर और इस इनिंग के बाद. To forget the Bisi Bele Batu we had for lunch with Pappadam. Jamie comes back. Yorker length गेंद उठाकर खेलना चाहते थे, फील्डर मौजूद है मिड विकेट पर. 5 ओवर में 50 रन और उसके बाद चीजें पूरी तरह से बदलती हुई. अगले 3 ओवर में सिर्फ 21 रन आए हैं, 3 विकेट जा चुके हैं.
Pappadam is called as Happala and Sandige in local language. And that's what last 20 balls, 21 runs and 3 wickets. So great comeback by Bengal. This match is not yet over. Here it is in the air and a valiant attempt there. Great attempt. Had this catch been taken, Bengal Tigers would have smiled away to glory, but that was not to be. But talking about Bengal Tigers winning this match and going to have a masala dosa, they may not have time even if they win because they'll have to play a match tomorrow.
जी हाँ, कल दिल्ली जाकर बंगाल टाइगर्स को पहला मैच खेलना है, तो सीधे वेनेदोसा की जगह से जाएंगे छोले भटूरे के नजदीक, और दोनों अगर जीत जाए तो फिर रसगुल्ला तो अपने साथ लेकर चलते हैं बंगाल टाइगर्स.
If not, they will present rasgulla and go because Chennai will go happily eating those rasgullas. Last 20 balls, but then another 1.4 overs to go after this. Nicely struck. Has he found the gap? Yes, he has. 4.
खूबसूरत शॉट, जैमी के ऊपर काउंटर अटैक करते हुए अजय और पृथ्वी, और जानते हैं कि 9वें ओवर्स में ज्यादा से ज्यादा रन आने जरूरी. पंच किया और खूबसूरत अंदाज में गैप ढूंढा यहां पर अजय ने. बहुत ही अच्छी अवेयरनेस फील्ड के लिए, और आउटफील्ड ने भी साथ दिया. यहां पर भावनाएं लगातार बदलती है. सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग में लगातार चीजें उलटफेर के साथ आती है. अब सिर्फ 2 रन पीछे चेन्नई राइनोज, और अभी भी 9 बॉल्स बाकी.
The difference between the two teams has been clearly fielding. Though Jishu brought off a wonderful catch, the catches were good, but nevertheless, the ground fielding in comparison to the Chennai Rhinos, the Bengal Tigers have been found wanting. Trying to missing the line of the ball completely. Lucky for him, the ball did not hit the stumps. There was a half chance for stumping. And Chennai now would like to build up. How much more they can get after 2 runs? They wipe off the deficit.
इस बार इंतजार किया, उठाकर खेला, 6 रन मिल जाएंगे. चेन्नई राइनोज अब लीड पर. बप्पादा के चेहरे पर अब शिकन आ चुकी है, और चेन्नई राइनोज ने इस ओवर में अपनी लीड को मुकम्मल कर लिया है. स्लोअर गेंद जैमी की ओर से, लेकिन इंतजार किया, बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से रीड किया और उठाकर खेला.
Very expensive Jamie in this over. He has already conceded 25 runs. And a great shot there. Was in good position. And timed the ball well. The moment the ball left the bat, it was a 6. Missing the line of the ball completely. They pick up a quick single of the last ball. 9 overs gone. Chennai Rhinos leading by 5 runs. 84 for 3 after 9.
राहुल 3 रन दिए थे पिछले ओवर में इन्होंने. क्या एक और इकोनॉमिकल ओवर आ सकता है इनकी ओर से? वाइड के साथ की है शुरुआत. चेन्नई राइनोज की लीड में इजाफा, 7 रन की लीड हो जाएगी अब.
We were talking about this particular wide delivery, but in comparison to Chennai, the Bengal bowlers have not bowled so many wides. But the ground fielding of Chennai far better than Bengal. And in terms of batting, Bengal lost the way in the beginning. Wide outside the off stump. Good delivery. Saw the batsman advancing, deciding to pitch it away from him. Good bowling there.
राहुल मजुमदार एक बहुत ही कुशल ऑलराउंडर बंगाल टाइगर्स के लिए, और इंटेलिजेंट बॉलिंग करते हुए. जानते हैं कि आने वाले इन 5 बॉल में कम से कम रन देकर चेन्नई राइनोज के इस टोटल को 90 से कम रखा जाए अगर, तो बंगाल टाइगर्स एक अच्छा कमबैक मानेंगे उसे. उठाकर खेलते हुए इस बार नो मैन्स लैंड में बॉल गिरी और 1 ही रन मिल पाएगा.
Very crucial for Bengal how Rahul bowls this over. He's just conceded 5 runs in 1.2 overs. Pretty good bowling, and he has to maintain it for the next 4 balls because that would probably give Bengal an edge if they can restrict Chennai Rhinos in the next 4 deliveries or so. They are in the match. Hits it hard. It may not go to the boundary. Bengal Tigers won't mind conceding singles at this juncture. 3 more balls to go. Lead just 8. 50 for no loss. We thought the lead might be at least 30-40, but now it's just 8.
I remember we were mentioning about the possibility of an innings defeat being inflicted by Chennai Rhinos, but what a comeback by Bengal Tigers. इस बार फिर फील्डर मौजूद है, एक ही रन। राहुल डिसिप्लिन बॉलिंग, आखिरी के ओवर्स में जो कि सबसे क्रूशियल टाइम होता है, डेथ ओवर्स जिसे हम कहते हैं, वहां पर राहुल ने क्या शानदार गेंदबाजी की है। 1.4 ओवर्स में सिर्फ 7 रन आए हैं राहुल की बॉलिंग से।
The name says it all. When there is Rahul in your name, we heard of Rahul Dravid, KL Rahul, and maybe contributing for a Bengal comeback here. Rahul.
Yeah, in the stadium, in the city, where Rahul name has been made famous in the cricketing world. The names you mentioned have spent the major part of their lives on M. Chinnaswamy Stadium pitch.
So the name says it all. Even if a 6 is hit, 16 runs is not a very big lead, but it's definitely a good lead. On the contrary, if Rahul doesn't give a boundary, Bengal are in the match. So the last ball of Chennai Rhinos innings. Will it be a boundary? Will it be a wicket? Will it be a sixer? Here goes Rahul. It won't be a boundary, but they will definitely take the second run irrespective of the run out, and there will be a run out. We'll have to wait and see. Yes. So just one run. So Chennai will lead only by 11 runs at the end of the innings.
बहुत ही जबरदस्त अंदाज में राहुल ने स्टंप को ब्रेक किया। कोई गुंजाइश नहीं यहाँ पे बचने की, एक ही रन मिल पाएगा जैसे आपने बताया शंकर। और बंगाल टाइगर्स की ओर से अच्छी वापसी, शुरुआत होने के बाद आउट का ये निर्णय अजय को जाना होगा। आखिरी गेंद पर मिली सफलता और